Hello, grade 11 learners. Welcome to another WowMath quiz. Today, we're going to test your understanding of gross pay and net pay through a 10-item multiple choice quiz. So, paano natin to gagawin? So, yung bawat questions ay merong apat na choices, A, B, C, and D. So, you will have 30 seconds to analyze the problem and choose your answer. Write down your answer on a sheet of paper or simply keep track of your score. After the timer ends, the correct answer will be revealed. So are you ready to challenge yourself and see how will you understand payroll computations? Let's begin. Good luck and remember, math is everywhere. Welcome to Wow Math Quiz. So question number 1. What is gross pay? A. The amount received after deductions. B. The total earnings before deductions. C. The tax deducted from salary. And D. The employee's allowance only. Since kanina pa ito naka-flash sa screen nyo, so hindi na tayo gagamit ng 30 seconds. So, I think you know the answer already. So, what is the answer? So, the answer is letter B. So, the total earnings before the deductions. Next. Question number 2. What is net pay? A. Gross pay plus deductions. B. Total income before tax. C. Amount received after all deductions. D. Overtime pay only. So you have 30 seconds to answer that. Okay, so the correct answer is letter C. Amount received after all deduction. Question number 3. Maria earns 18,000 pesos per month. What is her annual gross income? Letter A, 180,000 pesos. B, 198,000 pesos. Letter C, 216,000 pesos. And letter D, 236,000 pesos. Okay, your timer starts now. So the correct answer is letter C. So paano ginawa? Paano gagawin? You simply multiply 18,000 to 12 months. So 18,000 times 12, that is 216,000 pesos. Question number 4. Carlo earns 95 pesos per hour and works 160 regular hours in a month. What is his gross pay? A. 14,200 pesos. B. 15,200 pesos. C. 15,800 pesos. And D. 16,200 pesos. Okay, start yung time nyo. Okay, so the correct answer is letter B, 15,200. So madali lang naman i-compute. You simply multiply 95 pesos to 160 regular hours. Next, number 5. Which of the following is a mandatory deduction in the Philippines? A. Grocery allowance. B. Transportation allowance. C. SSS contribution. D. Commission. I think 15 seconds lang ito, no? Hindi na 30 seconds. Okay, so the correct answer is letter C. So ano pa yung iba na mandatory deduction? Yung PhilHealth, yung Pag-ibig, and the GSIS. So question number 6. A worker has a gross income of 25,000 pesos. Deductions include SSS 1,250, PhilHealth 625, and Pag-ibig 200 pesos. So what is the net pay? A. 22,925 pesos. B. 23,925 pesos. C. 24,925 pesos. And D. 25,925 pesos. Okay, start. So the correct answer is letter A, 22,925. So paano lang gawin ulit yan? So gagawin nyo is add nyo muna itong mga deductions, yung 1,250, 625, and 200. And then yung 25,000 minus natin yung total deductions. So kaya siya 22,925. Next, question number 7. Juan's gross pay is 20,000 pesos and his total deduction are 1,800 pesos. What is his net pay? A. 18,000, B. 18,200, C. 18,800, D. 19,800. So I think this question is good for 15 seconds. Okay, so the correct answer is letter B. So 18,200 pesos. So paano ginawa? 20,000 minus 1,800. Next, question number 8. Anna earns 110 pesos per hour and worked 176 regular hours. She also worked 8 overtime hours paid at 125% of her hourly rate. What is her gross income? Okay, start. Okay, so the correct answer is letter D. That will be 20,460. So, paano gagawin? Una, you multiply first 110 times 176. And then, kunin nyo yung overtime pay. Paano kunin yung overtime pay? 110 times 8 times 1.25 and then it's 1,100. 'Di ba yung 110 times 176 so that is 19,360 tama ba? 110 times 176. Okay, 19,360. And then yung overtime fee niya is 1,100, a total of 20,460. Question number 9. Which formula is used to find net pay? Letter A, gross pay plus deductions. B, gross pay times deduction. C, gross pay minus deduction. And D, gross pay divided by deductions. So, I think 10 seconds is good for this question. Madali lang naman siya. Okay, so the correct answer is letter C. So, ima-minus natin yung gross pay minus deductions. And last question. Engineer Miguel has a gross monthly income of 79,734.38 and total deduction of 16,443.66. So halos naulit lang ulit, no? Yung same sa other questions. Magkaiba lang yung amount. So what is his net pay? So 10 seconds lang siguro to. 10 seconds. Okay, so the correct answer is letter A, 63,292.72. So again, congratulations if you got a perfect score. Or kung nakakuha man kayo ng 8, 9, and 10, that's a good score, no? So kung mas mababa doon, so kailangan nyo pang ma-practice yung sarili nyo how to compute at ma-familiarize dun sa computation kung paano kino-compute yung net pay, yung gross pay, yung mga deductions. Okay, so i-practice nyo lang. Masasanay din kayo hanggang sa maintindihan nyo. Again, see you sa next WowMath quiz natin.